you looking for a good app names generator that is also easy to use? Our AI-powered app and app description generator is the perfect writing assistant you need to complement your creative app naming efforts. Hello everyone, I am Ryan, here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how to use AI app description generator to create app short descriptions using WriteMe in a few easy steps. First, you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information such as app name or title and some information about your app. Finally, simply click WriteMe. That's it. Complete your Android or iOS app or game description instantly using AI. You can keep generating different app short description variants till you are happy with the final result. Generate unique app short descriptions for apps on Android Play Store. With the new and improved user interface and user experience, it is now much easier and simpler to use WriteMe.ai. App Store and Huawei App Store. I hope that we are providing you with complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comment section. Thanks, that's all for today.